Hi there. So in this video we are going to take a look at routing in Express. So when you're making website with Node.js Express, then you get to assign routes. So basically routes are the endpoints in your domain. For example, when you type in google.com, that's a root domain, okay? And from there you can see routes such as to some specific page, directory, subdomain, etc. So here each route has request and response, and to access that you use HTTP methods such as get, set, put and delete. These are the requests that you make to route. So we'll take a look at that with example. So first thing, open Visual Studio Code or any other IDE. I have also created one sample.js file. Now here I'm going to first create a constant, name it express, then call require, and then call express. Next thing, another constant to make is app, and that will call to express class. After that, I'm going to create app.getRequest. So this .get method is going to check for this route, which will have request and response. Then we are going to assign a response with send method, and we are going to say hello Devnami YouTube users. Okay, next thing, we are going to create one more route to show you how it works. So app.get, and then another route, and then let's say I want to access dashboard. Okay, then we will check for request and response, and then assign a response with .send method, and that will be hello dashboard users. Okay, then finally we are going to use app.listen, and here simply assign the port number. Okay, if you want, you can also have some console message such as server is up. Okay, now I can open terminal. On Windows we call this command prompt, then access the directory where this sample.js is stored. In my case it is in D files. So I'm going to type in node and then sample.js, then hit enter, and it should show me server is up message, so that there are no issues. Then I open browser, type in localhost 3000, and you see hello Devnami YouTube users. That's the message. And now I'm going to check route dashboard. Okay, so it shows hello dashboard users. You can create as many routes as you want and host static files, host some of the media files in respective routes, and for that we will take a look at how to host static files with Express, Node Express, in another video. Okay, so you learn how to create a route that will point to your root, and also check how to create a route to access dashboard. Okay, so this was a simple video on how to create route in Node Express.